I'm on a beat, baby.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Laurasia Andrea. So jumping right into this video, this has been long and awaited. I know, I apologize per usual. So I asked you guys in a video a couple of videos ago, and if I wanted to know if you guys wanted to see a jet black hair tutorial as far as dyeing my bundles and my lace, and you guys literally absolutely went crazy in the comments and was like, yes, please give us this tutorial. So that is just exactly what I'm doing for you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is starting with using my Kiss colors, jet black. I told you guys this a while ago and so many different times. I only like to use their older version of their jet black dye. I do not like the Temptation dye at all. I just feel like the jet black is a little bit too runny for me, and it just always seeps through my lace. And I found that with the older version of the jet black, it's so much thicker in consistency, and I just like it so much better when using it for a jet black application. So the first thing I'm doing is just going ahead and doing the back side of my wig. I did go ahead and hand make this wig. Like I told you guys before, I only pretty much machine weft my wigs as far as my clients, and I hand weft it as far as doing YouTube tutorials. So I use 4 bundles of 28" from Aligrace. That pretty much is the most similar texture. It is their Brazilian texture. That is the most similar to my Burmese Remy. I did go ahead and use 1 bundle of 26" for my Burmese Remy straight line from Hairstylist. I just showed you guys in this little icon. I just showed you guys how to get to hairstylist.com. So I'm going ahead and using my HD frontal from my raw collection. So pretty much just to explain the whole raw collection thing, now I am doing a whole collection where it's no origin frontals and bundles and things of that nature. So if you guys are curious as to what exactly I mean by my raw, that just means it's no specific thing. It's not Mongolian, it's not Burmese Remy, it's not Filipino, it's no origin, but I do specify in the description what origin that I have from my line that all these frontals or closures pretty much blend with. So I'm just going ahead and just doing my lace. Just to really give you guys a tea, is no specific thing that's so special. I'm telling you guys, all you need to do is just go ahead to Sally Beauty and get a specific applicator. I will link it down below. That is a secret. It's not really even a secret. I showed you guys this method so many times, but you guys want to see it for a jet black version. I just use a soft applicator to put on the jet black dye, and that is the only thing that I do. I just do a very light texture and apply it on the lace. It does not seep through my lace. It does not bleed through the lace. It does not mess with my lace at all, and it just looks so natural. I do this all the time when I bleach my knots, regardless if I do a whole jet black application or not. This is exactly what I do, and this is why my lace always looks so seamless when I put it on my Instagram and on my stories. So I'm just going ahead and letting that jet black dye sit. I always let my jet black dye sit overnight. I don't rinse it out after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I just feel like when that jet black penetrates through the hair, I always let it sit for a minimum of 24 hours. So I'm just showing you guys right here what exactly the lace is looking like up close. This is HD transparent, which allows you guys to be able to tint the lace any color that you need. If you have a lighter complexion, you can definitely just leave it transparent. I am more of a chocolate. I am more of a chocolate honey drop type of complexion. I love to use the Wiggurus lace tint. I found this from my friend Zaina. She sent me this in my Instagram story a while ago. I reached out to them. They sent me a huge care package. I love them so much. They're always looking out for me. I gave it a try one day and I literally fell in love. So I like to mix 2 colors together. I love to use their caramel frappe first. I will go ahead and spray that and drench it over the entire frontal. I will blow dry it dry. Then I will go ahead and take the color Pure Beige just to give a little lighter tint. I don't like to go 2 times with the caramel frappe because it always seems to be a little bit too dark. So when I do the caramel frappe and then I do the Pure Beige, I feel like it's the best complexion for me. So I just went ahead and let that dry overnight. I conditioned it with some Ion Intense Moisture Conditioner, specifically for colored hair. I let that sit for a few hours. I let it dry overnight, and then now we are at the next day. blow drying. So I always like to blow dry on cool heat. I will leave this blow dryer and this add-on comb down in the description box. I always get everything from Sally Beauty. You guys already know I am a Sally Beauty partner. I've been with them for a little bit over a year now. I love them. They're always looking out for me, always, per usual. So that's why you guys always see pretty much all Sally Beauty products in my videos. This flat iron is from Sally Beauty. This brush straightener is from Sally Beauty. I'm telling you guys, if you guys always wonder how I get my hair to be so silky and straight, get this flat iron. It's from Babyliss, their titanium line. Literally changed my entire flat ironing life. And when you pair that with a straightening brush, I will link that down below. I'm telling you, it's the most best straightening application you can ever freaking do. As far as using Remy hair, let me tell you guys the tea. I have found when I use super high heat on Remy hair, it always fries the hair, like no matter what the hell I do. So I really recommend for you guys to not use any heat over 400 degrees when you're using your flat irons on these AliExpress companies, because if you do, I'm telling you, it will fry the hell out of your hair. So that is just a little bit of tea for you guys that I've learned in the past. As far as my texture for Burmese Remy, the only way I could really describe that texture, it is a virgin Remy texture, but it's Burmese Remy because it has a little bit more of a natural texture to it. I think you can kind of see a little bit in this video, but it's not super silky like a super Remy, like a hair store Remy. It has a little bit more of like a human hair texture to it. So that's why the Burmese Remy, I think it's like so bomb for a happy median. It's not super silky and Remy, but you also get a little touch of like human hair to it, like a slight Mongolian texture at the same time. Like, it's so hard to explain how it is. You really have to feel it to see exactly what the hell I'm talking about. So I'm just combing my hair through, my hands through my hair. You guys already know I've used aligracehair hair before. I really do highly recommend them for more affordable AliExpress companies. But again, if you guys are bowling a little bit and got a little bit more of shmonies, you can definitely go ahead and get the Burmese Remy as well. I am showing you guys a mini clip of my updated plucking technique. I do have a plucking tutorial out for you guys just in case you're wondering, but I was actually thinking I was going to redo the video, but I was like, you know what? Why not just add it into this video, since I'm doing literally this whole wig from start to finish. Not necessarily making a wig. I have been debating if I want to do a updated wig making tutorial. I did change some things about it to where when I put my wig on, it's like super snug. So if you guys want to see how I have my updated wig tutorial, do the same thing like I told you guys in a jet black tutorial. If you guys really want to see it, depending on how many likes and comments that it gets down below in the comment section, I will take my time to make the video. But if you guys don't really give a shit, then I won't waste my goddamn time. So I'm just pretty much just doing my whole little plucking technique on camera. Like I said, if you guys want to see a detailed version of that, definitely go and check out that video. It's on my channel somewhere around there. So I had to take a minute to show you guys how my skin is doing. The reason I say that is because I do have a facial video where I spent $325 on a damn hydroplaning facial. It was my first time ever getting a facial. I wanted to have a nice little calming, stress-free girls' day to myself. So I went and got a facial done. My skin was breaking out like crazy, and this is post 1.5 weeks from my facial, and when I tell you my skin has never looked like this, you guys, it's crazy. So if you guys are wondering about the facial, I will link that down below as well. I went to my girl Sonia. She owns the whole entire company. So yeah, if you guys are wondering about that, I will leave that down below. So now I'm just moving on to putting on the wig. You guys can see I don't use any stocking caps. I haven't used stocking cap method in I don't know how long. It's just a waste of my damn time. Okay, I don't have to use that method anymore because I pretty much just showed you guys how I'm able to just get the whole quote unquote stocking cap method without actually using the stocking cap. All I do is bleach my knots and I put the lace tint on from the Wiggurus, and that's all I have to do. I don't have to do anything else. If you guys want a little bit extra color to your lace, just go ahead and put your foundation powder on the lace and you're good to go. No stocking cap, no nothing needed. Lit as F. Now moving on to doing my whole lace frontal method. I have a more detailed video. I'm really getting there with getting my videos out, like thorough videos, okay? Because I even have a foundation video for you guys to go and check out as far as that. So I will leave every video that you can literally go to see more in-depth detailed versions of it down below in the description. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing this part and just melting my lace down, and then I will come back when necessary.
And they come and get you. Call me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up the with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up the with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. 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 All set.
Dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? Who would have thought I'd met you? And when we make love, your cries that can be heard from far away. It's only the two of us. Everything I knew between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? it's winter somewhere, but it's springtime right here. You need me to water the grass before it all disappears. Said you're sick of that high school shit. You need a college degree. So you took all your frustration to me. Tell me, have you ever had a gentleman? If nothing, girl, you deserve a gentleman. Eat you up for dinner like a gentleman. Knock the phone by your door like a gentleman. Tell me, have you ever had a gentleman? If nothing, girl, you deserve a gentleman. Eat you up for dinner like a gentleman. Not before I answer like a gentleman. Oh, said fucking with that subtle slow. Nah, we don't want that. Throw yourself on like it's meant to be. Leave you with a fifth of your sanity. Tell me, have you ever had a gentleman? If nothing, girl, you deserve a gentleman. Eat you up for dinner like a gentleman. Knock before I enter like a gentleman. Oh, said fucking with that subtle slow. Nah, we don't want that. Throw yourself on like it's meant to be. Leave you with a fifth of your sanity. Tell me, have you ever had a gentleman? If nothing, girl, you deserve a gentleman. Eat you up for dinner.
Alrighty, so that pretty much concludes the whole entire tutorial. I did show you guys me using my hot comb on camera. I got this hot comb from Sally's. Like I said, I'm a partner with them. They're always looking out. But if you guys want to definitely see all the products that I use down below, some links will be affiliated. So just letting you guys know that. You guys know I don't have no problem telling y'all that. I need to get my shit coins too. These videos ain't freaking cheap, okay? All this equipment, all this lighting, all this editing, this shit ain't cheap, all right? So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, leave likes and comments down below in the comment section if you guys want to see a updated version of how I make my wigs. It's super freaking lit, but yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Per usual, I love y'all and bye.
Okay.